Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you some tricks that you should try on this device. Okay, so simply go to settings and scroll down. At the bottom, you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option vision enhancements. Then here you can see lots of options. Okay, so here you can see many hidden accessibility tricks that make the phone easier and smarter to use. That means let me show you. So if you scroll down here, you can see the option extra dim. Now this is enabled. If it is disabled, you can see the difference, right? And the zooming option is also in this device. That if you tap on the option magnification, turn on this option. Now the magnification shortcut is assigned to the accessibility button. You can see at the bottom right side. If you tap on this one, you can see the magnification. Right? And also you can see the pointer size and the color. If you connected any keyboard or mouse to your device, then you can use these options. If you tap on the option pointer size, here you can adjust the pointer size and the color. Okay, and here you can change the font size and the style on this device using this one. If you tap on this one, here you can see the available font styles, and here we can adjust the font size. Okay, and here you can see some options. Color, under the colors and clarity section, you can see some options. If you want to enable high contrast fonts, then turn on this option. If you enable the high contrast fonts, then you can see a highlighted background outline behind the text. And you can see the option high contrast keyboard. If you turn on this one, if you tap on this one, here you can see these are the high contrast keyboard available on this device. So according to your choice, you can set any one from here. Okay. Here you can see the option highlighted buttons. If you turn on this one, it will highlight only the buttons. Okay. So these are the hidden features or tricks in this device. Actually, these settings are useful not only for the people with the vision problems, but also for the students, seniors, and every users who want more comfortable phone experience. So these, hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.